In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily recover deleted messages on Messenger. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So, let's get started. And first off, in order to recover deleted messages on Messenger, you need to open up Facebook app. After that, go to menu and then towards the top right corner. Tap at that gear to open up settings and privacy. After that, scroll down to the very bottom and then search for download your information. Tap on it. After that, you will be able to download all of your Facebook data. But if you want to recover just delete messages, all you have to do is first stop, tap and deselect all, and then in that list, search for messages and then just check mark it to download just your messages. After that, scroll down to the very bottom, and that's where you can select date range. You can save all of your data, or you can set some custom time range. Also, you can change format and media quality. After that, all you have to do is just to tap at Create File, and that will send a request to download your messages to Facebook servers. And now the status is pending, so you have to wait for a while until the request is completed. And once it's done, you will see the download button right over here, and you will be able to tap on it to download all of your messages history. You will be able to open up that HTML file on your mobile or on your PC. That's how it's done now. You can write down in the comments if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.